Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to work on something. So I've been hearing some noise and I think there is something that is loose and I just don't know exactly where it's coming from, but I have some I think it's coming from this door. This is the passenger door. Every time I brake, I hear something loose moving around, and I don't know exactly if true it's coming from this door, or maybe it's coming from somewhere else, or maybe it's coming somewhere down here. I don't know, but I'm hunting down and see if I can find that loose thing. What I'm going to do, I will take off this cover here. I'll take off this cover and see if I can discover whatever that thing is. It's a guess. I'm really gambling. I'm not 100% sure it's inside here, but let's see, because the noise is coming from this side. Hopefully I discover whatever that thing is. So let's get to the easy part, and if not, we'll figure out another day where we can find that thing. I'm going to remove this trim and take it out, and yeah, and see what next. Use the pre-tool. Use the plastic pre-tool to remove the door handle cover. After removing that, there will be two screws which hold the door cover, the whole door cover, and you will use a T20 to take that out. It didn't take long. As I was trying to remove the door cover, I heard something dropped. I look at it, it was this little tiny plastic that was inside the door, and pretty much that was it. But to make sure, I test drove the car and I couldn't hear that noise again. Literally, especially when I brake, I could hear like something is loose somewhere, but after that I didn't hear that thing anymore. So, and that was it, and I was happy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.